Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can turn off screenshot sound on your iPhone. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So right now here you can see this phone is currently an older version of iPhone. It is a 12 Pro Max, so it has its switching button right here, which basically switch you to the silent mode, which lets you turn on and turn off your silent mode. So right now, if I switch this button just like this, here you can see my silent mode is now turned off. And if I try to take a screenshot just like this, it will make a sound just like this. But if I turn this silent mode on just like this, here you can see now my silent mode is turned on. If I try to take a screenshot, it does not make any sound. And just like this, you can try to turn off your screenshot sound on your iPhone. But if you have a latest version of iPhone and it has the action button, you can also use the action button in order to make it the silent button. But if you are using that action button for something else and you want to manually turn off your silent mode, you'll have to go to your settings. And on your settings, now what we're going to do is scroll down until we see the sound and haptics option. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you can see I don't have the silent option because mine is the older version. If it is the newer version, there will be the option of silent button, so you can simply just tap on that toggle button in order to turn it off and then take a screenshot, and your screenshot won't make a sound. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can turn off a screenshot sound on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next.